Welcome back to Solving Factory. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can post a photo on Instagram. Let's start by launching the Instagram app on your device. Next, log into your account. After that, tap the plus sign icon in the center of the bottom menu. Make sure that below you choose the post option. Next, select the photo that you want to upload from your gallery. You can choose multiple photos if you want to create a carousel post by tapping the select multiple beside the camera icon. After that, tap the next button above to continue. Optionally, you can apply filters and edit your photo using the available tools. Once you're done with that, tap the next button. Write a caption for your photo in the caption field. You can also add hashtags and tag people by using the respective fields. If you want to add a location to your post, tap on Add Location and select a location from the list. You can choose to share your post to other connected social media accounts by toggling the options. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap on the Share button. The button might appear as next on some versions. There you go. Your photo is now posted on your Instagram account, and it will appear in your followers' feeds. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.